Yeah. Block it in. Put the filter on. Yeah, that's right. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, it's stripped. Or am I not catching it? Oh, I wasn't catching it. Oopsie. It wasn't even going through. Oopsie. Get some looseness. Not too tight. Please, oh, I hope it works properly because it's been a minute. So, just putting the screws. Oh, loosen that one up. I got a Mr. Rogers stamp in here because I put that on my radiator later. Thinking about it. It's just a little one. It'll fit really well. I gotta replace the radiator eventually because the fans are already cracking. 6 years, guys, 6 years. 6 years replacing little by little. Okay, good on that. Yeah. Just so I don't risk getting any components or whatever, I just use a little bit of alcohol. Let it get a little damp. Just a little bit here on the side of the case. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. See a little dust here. Right. Keep her clean, dude. Keep her clean. Gotta keep her clean until she keeps running. I'm not a pro. I just only built this PC once and then called it a day. But I took care of her, maintained, and then put a Ryzen 9 in there instead of a Ryzen 5 because I needed more power, a little bit more power. Also sponsor me, please. They're delicious. Love this. All right. Okay, that fan's in there. I don't recall this one up here. So we have two fans up here that I'm about to install. We're not gonna put filters on them. I don't have any. Thought I did. Whoops. But when get some, I will put them in. Okay. I have one more fan in here. That's why I didn't see it, because I blocked it. Blocked it out of view. Okay. Okay. In the bowl, the nacho bowl it goes, dude. Nacho dip bowl. Look. I don't know where that came from. I have a dinner in about an hour and I haven't even showered. Not good. My PC's my life, so I'm gonna work on it. Simple as that. That's where I edit all my videos. Sweet. I forgot what this is called, but it's like keeps the daisy chain of all the it's like older technology older technology when daisy chaining fans, RGB ones in specific. This is just something I've learned. I don't know, that's what it's called, but if you guys know before I can research it, please say something. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around so I can get a little tour of it. Oh, and my PC's on top of my phone. Oops. Rip. Okay, this is better. My bad, I should have just done that angle. I just didn't know. Okay. Oh. What are we doing? Alright, this is, I'm usually on this side working on it, whatever, but we'll be fine. I'm gonna just screw a little bit into it so that I can slide it around so that I can measure the second one. But this is being a real bitch because finicky with the screw. Sometimes fans are difficult. If I don't screw it in right, it could crack. Well, actually, I don't know. I think that just happened that one time. Look at that, see? Yeah, get that sliding. Get that slide in your girl. So, I gotta figure out, before I plug anything crazy, gotta remember. I can just, I'm so glad I don't have to plug anything into the power source. It was such a bitch when I was building this to get anything tucked in there. Maybe I was just not strong enough to like push that shit in there, but yeah, didn't like that. So now I got fans that connect to just the motherboard, so I can just power it up, dude. Alright, I gotta clean this shit up. I didn't think about it. How embarrassing. Okay, well, at least I caught it. Hey, if the video cuts off, guys, I just want to say thanks. It's not going to be a long one because I'm just literally going to have to stop right now. Gotta get ready. So I'm just going to add these two bolts here. Or this, yeah, two little bolts. Dude, it kind of looks, it looks sick. It's looking sick. I eventually would like to get a black radiator, but I think it's still good for now, but you can't see it. I don't think you can, but let me screw this one in real quick just for a second. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, see, look at that slide, and so I can see where I want them. Okay, but I want to test them to see if they work, and I'll do that next time. But if you look here, you can't really see it. Maybe you can if I zoom in, but these are cracking. And they're not on there too tight, I promise you that. They are on there, they're just old. These are the screws that they came with. But yeah, this part. Any PC builder will tell you this sucks. But it's kind of therapeutic. I feel like a surgeon. But thanks, gotta go now.